People in Nairobi queue for COVID-19 vaccines at Kenyatta National Hospital as cases of the new and potentially more contagious Omicron variant continue to emerge globally. It's been found in at least 20 countries. So far, Kenya isn't one of them, but there are fears the worldwide economic recovery will be complicated by Omicron. The OECD's latest report paints a bleak picture.
We're still not fully seizing the opportunity to implement changes in our approaches to education, health, climate, and more largely the use of public money. As a result, the world is not really looking better. The G20 countries have spent $10 trillion supporting people and their economies since the beginning of the pandemic. It would only take $50 billion to ensure vaccination worldwide.
In other words, rich countries have spent on their own economies 200 times what it would cost to vaccinate the entire planet. The economies of southern African nations are being further damaged by travel bans imposed by much of the rest of the world. The South African president has reiterated his criticism of the restrictions.
This is a global pandemic, and overcoming it requires that we collaborate and work together as a collective. The resulting damage to this travel ban to the economies of the countries affected will be considerable and long-lasting.
Confirming the first Omicron case in the United States, the country's top infectious diseases expert has justified the ban.
We needed to buy some time to be able to prepare, understand what's going on, what is the nature of this infection, what is the nature of the transmissibility, and we wanted to make sure that we didn't all of a sudden say, it's like anything else, don't worry about it, and then all of a sudden something unfolds in front of you that you're really not prepared for. So we look at this as a temporary measure.
France will lift its ban on flights from southern Africa from Saturday, but only EU residents will be allowed to disembark, and they'll have to quarantine even if they test negative. The World Health Organization says it's possible the Omicron variant may become more transmissible than Delta, but they don't yet know how severe the infection is. What is certain, though, is that Omicron is another setback for global economic recovery, particularly in southern Africa. Claire Herriot, TRT World.